What if we told you that you could own a fully functional electric truck that charges itself using solar power, and it only costs $3,100 to build? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today we're diving into one of the most exciting DIY engineering projects ever. The story of how a small team built a solar-powered electric mini truck that can run practically forever without spending a single cent on fuel or electricity. This project proves that innovation doesn't have to cost a fortune, just creativity, passion, and a vision for a cleaner future. The idea began with a simple question. Can we make a compact, affordable, and completely sustainable truck that anyone could use? Instead of buying an expensive EV or relying on charging stations, the team decided to build their own vehicle, one that could power itself directly from the sun. The plan was to design something small but useful, capable of carrying groceries, tools, or light cargo, and completely free from fossil fuels. The foundation of the project was a repurposed mini-truck chassis, sourced from an old utility vehicle. This gave the project a strong, lightweight base without the need to design everything from scratch. The frame was stripped down, cleaned, and modified to fit the new electric motor and battery system. The goal was to make it as simple and efficient as possible. No complicated electronics, no fancy software, just pure practicality. At the heart of this mini truck lies a 2.5 kilowatts electric motor, small but surprisingly powerful. It runs off a 48-volt lithium battery pack that offers up to 80 kilometers, 50 miles, of range on a single charge. But here's where the magic happens. The truck doesn't need to be plugged in. On top of its roof sits a set of solar panels that continuously charge the batteries whenever sunlight hits them. The panels are rated at 600 watts, enough to fully recharge the battery in about 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. That means, during the day, this truck is essentially running for free, powered by clean, renewable energy from the sun. And let's talk about cost. The entire project came together for around $3,100. That includes the used chassis, the motor, controller, batteries, solar panels, wiring, and fabrication materials. Compared to the tens of thousands you'd spend on a commercial EV, this is nothing short of revolutionary. It's proof that electric mobility can be affordable if you're willing to get your hands dirty and think creatively. Performance-wise, the mini truck is surprisingly capable. It can carry a payload of up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, perfect for small deliveries, farm work, or personal transport. Its top speed is around 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, making it ideal for city streets or short rural routes. With regenerative braking and lightweight construction, it squeezes every bit of efficiency from its power system. And since it's electric, it produces zero emissions and runs almost silently, just the faint hum of the motor as it glides along the road. One of the coolest features is the built-in solar controller system, which automatically optimizes charging from the panels and prevents overcharging. The display on the dashboard shows real-time power input, battery percentage, and range. It's simple but effective, giving the driver everything they need to manage the truck's energy without external tools or apps. But beyond the specs, what makes this project special is its philosophy, sustainability, independence, and affordability. In a world where electric vehicles are often marketed as luxury products, this little truck proves that green technology doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. It's designed for everyone: farmers, small business owners, delivery drivers, or even students. Anyone who wants a reliable, eco-friendly way to get around without ever worrying about fuel prices again. The solar-powered mini truck also represents a glimpse into the future. Imagine cities filled with vehicles like this, all self-charging, all emission-free, running quietly through streets powered entirely by sunlight. No gas stations, no carbon emissions, no expensive charging infrastructure, just pure, renewable freedom. Of course, the project isn't without challenges. On cloudy days or during long nights, the truck relies on its battery reserve, and charging speeds depend heavily on sunlight. But as solar panel and battery technology continue to improve, the potential of vehicles like this only grows stronger. With more efficient panels and affordable lithium batteries becoming mainstream, solar-powered transportation could become a global reality. For now, this $3,100 solar mini truck stands as a symbol of innovation on a budget, a reminder that you don't need a billion-dollar company to make a difference. All you need is determination, creativity, and a belief that sustainability should be accessible to everyone. So, there you have it, a tiny truck with a massive impact. It's eco-friendly, affordable, self-sustaining, and proof that the future of transportation might not come from big corporations, but from passionate inventors with big ideas. This is more than just a vehicle. It's a movement toward a cleaner, smarter world, one sunbeam at a time.